Hey guys, today I am going to be building a storage cube to store all the yarn in. I'm going to do a time lapse of it, maybe. Depends on how difficult it is and how big it is, because I've only got this limited amount of space, and I don't know how heavy it's going to be, so I might need help from my husband. So I'm going to build as much as I can on my own now. Can you stop biting me? Yeah, then once it's up, I'll show you my yarn collection, and put it away. Hopefully in one place, because at the moment it's in about 4 places. There's yarn on my desk, there's yarn in my spare room, there's can you stop it? Stop it. There's yarn on my sewing desk, there's yarn on the floor under the sewing desk in a box. So yeah, let's get it all in one place, huh? Okay, so I'm going to be building it here. I have a screwdriver and it does say that all the parts are included. Whether that means I'm going to require more tools, I don't know. We'll find out. So most of it's built. I've got one more door, but I'm not sure where I want to put it. I might put it in this one here. Okay. I have assembled everything that needs to go in this over here. And this is just where I tested that these fit. Just got a bunch of, actually there's stuff I need to go through in here, but I just was testing that fit. Oh look, Molly attacked this. So I'm going to sit and organise this now, which is really boring for you guys. But once it's done, I'll come back and I'll show you. I am done. It is 6 p.m. I started making this at 12. So all of those boxes are gone. Look, it's all gone. It's all gone. Let's have a look. So up top here we've got a cute little yarn bowl. We've got a project bag, which I don't know why I put it up there, but it's up there. Needles that I never use. And also these are 2 knitting and crochet hooks, see that there? Got a niddy noddy, got a cute little 3D printed spindle, a jar of teeny ends, like there's a couple of meters of each, a couple of tchotchkes I found, Professor Snape, magical mystery bus from the Beatles, my yarn winder. Hey, this one we have my Namaste cable holder, all of my project bags, and then in the drawers there's, you know, needles, more cables because I couldn't be bothered to pull that out, needles, crochet hooks, etc. This drawer, assorted detritus including pom-pom makers. Yes, I kept them. So what have we got on this shelf? This is my Raxor yarn. Sorry, fingers. I think all of these are Madeline Tosh singles. I might do this again for you guys in better light. That's my fibre space from the other day. I keep getting my finger in the way, I'm really sorry. Then we've got some knit picks from, this is mystery, I don't know what that is, but I found it. Sock yarn from the box the other day, knit crate sock bag. 3 skeins of knit picks, Alameda. I think there's 5 of these Alberta ones. And then what's under here? Oh, the mystery sock ones from the other day. And we've got the Noro, my Aussie Farmers Market stuff. Look at this. This is by my very good friend Nikki from Shepherdess, who no longer does this anymore, but there's 2 of those. Some more stuff from the knit crate thing, which I'm waiting for the next one. The ones that we have not unpacked. Apparently I really like this colour, which is it is Lotus on Malabrigo Rios in the colour Lotus. So I've got that there, and I've also got it here on a different way. So I must really like that. I've also got more Malabrigo here, which is Niebler, and that's Rio's as well, but it looks very, no, this must not be Rio's then. So what the heck is this? Rasta maybe? Mecca, that one is, that's Mecca. Making a mess now. There's the Art Walk series. This is more Malabrigo. This is Wales Road, which is one of my absolute favourites. And Aguas, which is this kind of grey-green colour, really lovely. There's some more Madtosh over here. Some Kyogu KPPM. And then I broke my shelf. Let me just put it together. The KPPMs, which I've got 3 of these in this cute little skeins. I've also got this, which I got in London at, what's that shoot? Loop of London it's called. I picked that one up there, and it's 150 grams. I haven't had a chance to do anything with that yet. And that one's by Fiberific, and that's actually called Fifi's Hair because that's Fifikin's hair colour. I've also got under here some Countess Ablaze, and this is a really cool colourway. I've actually got a bolero in this, which is nerds prefer their rainbows darker in Tia Merino. And then we've got one solitary skein of hedgehog fibres in Dragonfly. What else have I got? This is one of my very first ever yarn purchases, and it's the scratchiest shit ever. No offence to Arancarnia lovers, but it's scratchy as fuck. This is Homespun House, some more singles, and then these two, which are Primrose, I think, Primrose yarns. Also beautiful. And this shelf is very grey and white. These are Australian made Bellissima 8s. And there's a bunch of those, and one nitpicks thing, and those cakes from the other day. Look in here, some fibre, which we will have a look at spinning at some stage. And this one is my unfinished project box, and more project bags, because obviously we need more project bags. This is my shawls, which we can go through if you want. This one over here is acrylic and crappy yarn. And this is my bookshelf. Now, you're going to say, why have you got a Fantastic Beasts book on there? Well, because we do the Fantastic Beast colourway, and every month there's a new Fantastic Beast, so I have a beautiful book to choose it out of. Okay. Next shelf is my hand, with some of my hand-dye and my hand spun. This is something I spun myself. That's cotton that we did with indigo. This is my own Artemis that Molly ruined, so it's mine now. And this, I didn't know I still had this. My son did this. My son made that. Isn't that nice? Okay, last door. the already wound but haven't been used, and all scraps. Larger scraps than the ones in the jar. So, the only thing left, close that properly, the only thing left that I'll be doing is unravelling these and adding them to the stash, and that's it. So, thank you for watching. If there's anything else you wanted to look at more closely, or... Oh, I forgot to show you the... Crap, wait! The Pantone Karen mini skein shelves. So we've got loads of these. There's about 25. I picked them all up on sale, and I love them dearly. Right, okay, anyway, back to what I was saying. Yep, if there's anything else you want to see more in depth in this wall, then let me know. Other than that, it's been a day, so it's time for some dinner. Thank you for watching.